to hold it down, alright? Hold it down, tell them hold it down. If I go to jail tonight, just tell my niggas hold it down. Niggas jumped out of Range Rovers, light skin hoes came over, threw the pussy at me so fast, bitch blew out her shoulder. One thing I can't stand is new niggas acting like they know us. And the only thing I'm scared of is a bitch coming at me with a stroller. Think I make it funny? Wait till I blow 1.5, I ain't going no lower. Tell the shot girls to pop that pussy. Tell them pussy niggas pants what they owe us. I was out here just sold weed, but I'm looking like I done sold a brick. If a nigga go to jail tonight, it's probably cause I done stole a bitch. Evidence all on the ass, call me red-handed, they show the prints. Said they got it on tape too. Hope a man don't get a hold of this. Nigga, my hood is full of loose cannons, that's loose cannons with loaded clips. Fuck around and get naughty cut. Rest in peace to soldiers.
Go long.
BBS protect all in my wristwatch. Got it jumping like I'm crisscross. All that go, yeah, let them crisscross. All that go, yeah, let them crisscross. She gon' bring no girl, let them crisscross. All that go, yeah, let them crisscross. Hold on, plus, tell her bitch get up. Hit it once, had her feeling nauseous. She pop that pussy, put that pressure on her. I've got a lot of freaks that live in Arizona. Now I'm seeing things, sipping on gasoline, popping his hand. I got this hoe in the promethazine. Problem on, get me up like boulders. She said she wanted an orgy, like hold up, baby, it's more of us. You know I'm nasty, nigga. BBS protect all in my wrist.